In this video, I will be showing you how to change the background color in Canva. Let's get started. Starting from the Canva home screen, I'll scroll through the various templates available under the Explore Templates section. I see options for presentations, posters, resumes, and social media posts. I'm going to select the poster category to begin my project. This opens up a library of poster designs, but I want to start from scratch, so I'll click on the Create Blank tile. Once the editor loads with my blank canvas, I'll click directly on the page to select it. You'll notice a purple border appear around the edge, and a background color icon pops up on the top toolbar. I'll click that icon to open the color panel on the left. Now I can explore different options. I'll start by clicking through some of the default solid colors. I'll try a bright yellow, then switch to a bold blue, a soft red, and a vibrant pink. Next, I'll scroll down to the default gradient colors section. These add a nice depth to the design. I'll test out a green to yellow gradient, a purple to blue mix, and a warm sunset-inspired orange. I can even try more complex multicolor gradients to see how they look on the canvas. If I want something more specific, I can go to the Elements tab on the far left and type background into the search bar. This brings up a wide variety of graphics and photos. I'll click See All next to the graphics section to find some patterns. I'll select this wavy topographic line pattern. Once it's on my page, I'll right-click the element and select Apply Colors to Page. This is a great trick to instantly extract the color palette from a graphic and apply it to my background. I'll try it again with a floral pattern, right-clicking and choosing Apply Colors to Page to see the background update to match the new style. It's that simple to find the perfect look for your design.